Hi, now that we've made this metal rack, what we need to do is do some drawings of it. So we're going to be doing an exploded drawing like this, a isometric drawing like this, and orthographic drawings with dimensions like this. Step one will be to go to your bodies. You can see that you have quite a few of them, but you can right click or two-finger click on bodies, and we need to create components from the body. You'll notice that you now have the same number of components that you had for the bodies that you created. Our next step is to go to Design and go to Animation. And in the animation, we are going to transform the components. And we want to pull this apart roughly how it would go back together. So first thing I'm going to do is kind of zoom out a little bit with this. If I was putting this together, I would start by moving this, and this cross piece. I'm going to hold down the Shift key to select them all. And I'm going to move these up. I'm going to move the next set up also. And I'm going to move the next set also up by holding down the Shift key. Next, let's separate out these three cross pieces right here, and let's just pull them forward. And we're going to do the same thing with the back cross pieces. We'll just pull those back. And lastly, we're going to take these two and just pull them forward, and these two and pull them out this way. Undo. Out this way. And here we have our exploded drawing. We're going to click OK. Our next step is to make a drawing from the animation. So we'll go to here, we'll go to Drawing from Animation, and you can just click OK. Sometimes this takes a little while, but let's just put this here for now. And we can click OK. My next step is I'm going to be adding a home view. So I'm going to come up here to base view right here, and I'm going to pick the home, and I'm going to place it right here. And I'm going to click OK. So this gives me my home view. Although I'm going to double click on this and make sure it's shaded, and then click close. I'm now going to add another sheet. I'm going to add another view. I'm going to add a front view and click OK. Scoot this down a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is use these projected views, and I'm going to grab a right side and a left side. I will grab a top and I will grab a bottom, and then I'll hit escape. And lastly, I'm going to go to dimensions. I'm going to go to auto dimensions, and I'm just going to pick one that kind of makes the most sense. You can play a lot with these. So maybe this 18 out of 18 dimensions. You sort of have to play with them to see which ones you seem to like the best. This one seems clear because it's got all of the I can read all the dimensions in there. Okay, and I'm going to click OK. And there we go. I now have my technical drawings of this metal rack. Thank you for watching.